Hey gang, Dan here. I have to make these brass bushings for the gearboxes inside the Sixi. I need 24 of these in each Sixi, and since we haven't done a Kickstarter yet to sell thousands of units, which would mean we could buy millions of these from our supplier in wholesale, I have to make them by hand. We use bushings in the gearboxes because they take up a lot less room than a full bearing, and it's a lot less expensive. So now I'd like to show you the process that I'm following to cut these to length and deburr one end. Okay, so I only need to make 2 more on this, but I'm at the end of the process. I hope that means it goes a little bit more smoothly. I got a M3 screw in here, it's quite long, it's like a 35 or something. I've got about 5 millimeters in the chuck. I can hand tighten this, that's plenty. I keep the deburring tool out. Because this is a new tube, this end has been deburred, but I will show you how that happens. Slide this on, holding it in place with the left hand, and I put my index finger against the tube so I can control the position. I've got my calipers, which are at 18.5, the nominal length. I press up against the caliper. Notice I use the end bit. Hold with the left index finger, tighten into place, and run the drill. Often this just falls right on the table. Now you see this end is slightly smaller than this end, and the same thing has happened here. We can compare. This screw will not fit in this hole, not with ease. Okay, does not fit. That's what the deburrer is for. Let's go. That's good for the next one. So again, on. A little bit further than I need. Press the tool into place, slide up against the limit, tighten into place. And now deburr. Do not touch this with your finger while it is spinning and there are burrs there. You may slice your hand open. That would be bad. Yeah, I can basically eyeball these and tell which ones won't fit. But I check them anyways because we're thorough. I'm not happy with that outside burr. A little steel wool would do the trick. This one isn't even tarnished, so I know it's the new end of one of the tubes. And I think we've reached the ones that were correctly done up and burred in a single step. I'm essentially done. I'm gonna leave the rest of this tube for the next time. Oh, I wanna thank again all of you for liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing, our newest patrons. You've all been wonderful, especially to all the people who've been watching the videos and come up and said, can I buy a Sixi or can I make one myself? Yes, you can. That's the whole point of the exercise. More robots, more automation, less COVID. I like all these things. All right, I've been Dan. You're still you, I assume, unless you've possessed someone. And that's it from me. I will see you next time.